Buc-ee's is coming to Bowling Green. Well, actually, Smith's Grove, but it's the same thing. Recent reports confirm that the plans were approved and groundbreaking for the supersized gas station, grocery store, restaurant, shopping mall, car wash, etc. should begin soon. Once it's in operation, it will dominate the area, proving once again that Bowling Green, Kentucky is the best place in the world to live. And there it is, pride with a hint of contempt. Why can't we just be excited about the store without getting caught up in the whole "this makes us better than you" contest? Building off of yesterday's study of Psalm 8 and how God's greatness is enhanced by his lack of contempt for human beings, today's Sunday Struggles on Morning Minutes in the Bible is about our struggle with contempt for others. One article describes contempt as an irrational response to other people's traits or practices. People can be targets of contempt because they are seen as poor, uneducated, disabled, stupid, lazy, obese, nerdy, awkward, clumsy, arrogant, or lacking competence or status, or because they engage in unfamiliar or embarrassing social practices. Is this one of our Sunday's struggles? Before saying "not me," we must ask ourselves how we respond to others in one or more of the situations described above. What do we think about people we see as stupid or lazy or who do things we find embarrassing? Full confession. I love studying God's Word and do so diligently to understand it as well as possible so I can serve the Lord by teaching others about Him. It's very difficult for me not to respond with contempt toward those who, in my opinion, don't have the same desire or understanding. But in my conversations with others who disagree with my interpretations, I have often noticed the contempt is mutual. I recognize it in myself and battle it, but to my shame, I don't always win the fight against my feelings. That's when I need to remember I'm not the Buc-ee's of Bible students, and read about the publican and the Pharisee. Jesus told that parable to some people who trusted in themselves that they were righteous and viewed others with contempt. Luke 18, verses 9 through 14. And maybe, just maybe, a few others need to read that parable too. Perhaps even you. Thank you for watching Sunday Struggles on Morning Minutes in the Bible. Until tomorrow, this is James McClenny hoping you have a great day.